Hello, welcome to Micron. I'm Dave Seabrook, that's me, and I am Micron's IT manager. I am also a Lean certified champion, and today we will be talking about our TPM system. Most of our machines are Swiss CNC. We also run vertical CNCs, Acme Gridleys, some schematics, and then we have an assortment of support equipment along with that. And our TPM system applies to all of these. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is hunt down the technical manual for the machine or piece of equipment you'll be working on. In most cases, it'll either be in a binder or book, or in some newer machines cases, it's actually on the controller in the machine itself. At this point, we'll roll out a big old sheet of paper, and this will be used to put our post-it notes on. On the left-hand side, we have the tasks or the maintenance items that we will be collecting, and on the right-hand side are the increments that we will assign those tasks later on, and they are daily, weekly, monthly, every 6 months, and yearly. Now that our giant paper is ready and labeled, we can begin to populate it with the post-it notes that we recorded our maintenance tasks on. After you've laid out all the tasks that you've found from the machine maintenance book, do a quick walk around the machine just to see if there are any additional tasks that can be added to the board. Now that we have our tasks up on the board, we're going to assign them to the frequency that makes the most sense. At this point, we can begin to label our machine. We will grab our kit that has paint, markers, and pre-printed frequency labels with little arrows to indicate where the maintenance needs to take place. Pictures are used to indicate when filters are clean and dirty. Most indicators will be colored green or red based on their safe or danger zones. At this point, we'll create the TPM log for the machine. On the left-hand side, you'll notice that we have all the maintenance checks separated into their frequency, and next to that we have each day labeled where the operator will actually mark off after completing the maintenance task itself. On the right-hand side of the log, we have an overhead drawing of the machine, and we also have indicator boxes that point to the area on the machine where they will find the corresponding maintenance label that needs to be inspected. The TPM log is then posted on the machine, visible to the operator and the auditor. The auditor does a daily inspection of every machine's TPM log and discusses the results of the audit every day in the department's 5-minute huddle. The results of that audit are then recorded on every machine's yearly TPM log. This way, at the end of the year, each machine has a one-page document that has recorded all the maintenance that has been done on it. This concludes my video on Micron's TPM system. I hope it was helpful and had some good takeaways. I just want to thank everybody for your time and watching the video. Thanks.